Welcome to the zoo, where the creatures play. Lions roaring loud as the monkeys sway. Elephants parade and the tigers proud. In this wondrous place, hear the animals howl. Through the jungle paths, where the mighty lions reign, their golden mane shining in the sun's warm embrace. Giraffes stretch their necks to reach the highest leaves, while the zebras dance in their black and white sleeves. Through the jungle paths, where the mighty lions reign, their golden mane shining in the sun's warm embrace. Giraffes stretch their necks to reach the highest leaf, while the zebras dance in their black and white